York City and northern New Jersey. Now for some of the numbers. There's Barry, Delaware, 23.5 inches of snow.
What a day we're having today, kids.
20 inches. Newport, New Jersey, 18 inches.
Want to see this? Take a look at this. That's snow. Look how deep that shit's. Probably too fucking deep for the damn snowmobile. Look at that. Oh, my on. Well, we gotta go out later on and dig out the bloody driveway.
Got the front door with the stuff all on there.
Oh man, I'm looking real forward to digging out this crap. We gotta go out there and find a propane tank. Oh, look at that. Oh man, look at Smitty's scaffolding. He's gonna kill me when he sees this. Well, today's Monday. We're probably even for a couple of days. What do you say, honey?
Well, I'm hoping that Oregon is closed tomorrow and so is the school.
Oh, whoopee. Well,
If not, I gotta go to Allentown where they got 17 inches of snow.
oh yeah.
Maybe not.
It ain't over yet, so it's snowing all day and night. Let me go out there and start digging.